Making whipped cream using half and half.
Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to dive into the world of creamy delights by making whipped cream using a rather unconventional ingredient, half and half. Let's get started.
Why use half and half?
Half and half is a mixture of equal parts milk and cream. While it's commonly used for coffee, its creamy consistency makes it an interesting choice for whipped cream. Though it's lighter than heavy cream, it can still provide a delightful texture when whipped right. But because it has a lower fat content, we'll be adding a couple of things to help it whip up nicely.
What will you need?
Here are the key ingredients for our whipped cream recipe using half and half, about 2 cups. This will be our main ingredient. Unflavored gelatin, 1 teaspoon. This will act as a stabilizer and help the half and half maintain a whipped consistency. Cold water, 2 tablespoons. To dissolve the gelatin. Sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons, or to taste. This will sweeten our whipped cream. Vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon, optional, for flavor.
Quick tips.
Ensure the half and half in your mixing bowl are very cold before you start. This helps in achieving a fluffy whipped consistency. You can adjust the sugar according to your taste. Some might prefer a sweeter whipped cream, while others might like it less sweet. Always sprinkle the gelatin over cold water and let it sit for a few minutes before heating it. This ensures it dissolves evenly. And there you have it. An alternative way to make whipped cream using half and half. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and finding what works best for you. We hope you give this a try and enjoy the results. Happy whipping, and until next time.